Have you ever wondered how round logs are processed into flat and usable wooden boards? In this video, we are showing a log sliding table sawmill machine working in real production. This machine is designed for cutting round logs into lumber boards with high efficiency and stable performance. First, the log is placed securely on the sliding table. The operator adjusts the position and fixes the log to ensure stability during cutting. Once the machine starts, the sliding table slowly pushes the log forward toward the circular saw blade. With high-speed rotation, the saw blade cuts smoothly through the wood, creating a clean and straight cutting surface. After each cut, the operator pulls the table back and adjusts the cutting thickness according to the required board size. Then the next cutting cycle begins. This process is repeated until the whole log is fully processed into lumber boards. Compared with traditional cutting methods, this sliding table sawmill offers faster cutting speed and easier operation. It is widely used in small sawmills, woodworking workshops, furniture factories, and pallet production plants. The machine can process different types of wood, including pine, eucalyptus, poplar, and hardwood logs. One of the main advantages is its high cutting efficiency and simple structure, which makes it easy to maintain and operate. The final output is high-quality wooden boards that can be used for furniture, construction, packaging, and other woodworking applications. If you are looking for a reliable wood log cutting solution, this sliding table sawmill is a practical choice. Contact us for more details, machine specification, and quotation.